Hi, this is Litre Total Parts Pro. Today we have 2022 Mazda BT50, stock number 7018. This ran from the 7th 2020 to the current shape. It's a full JJ3 3 litre 4-cylinder turbo diesel engine backed by a 6-speed automatic transmission. This is a full JJ3 3 litre 4-cylinder turbo diesel engine. Left hand headlight, left front guard, left front 18-inch factory mega tyre, left hand door mirror, left front and left rear door no dents, left rear 18-inch factory mega tyre, right rear 18-inch factory mega tyre, centre console lid, automatic air shifter, head AC controls, factory touchscreen sat-nav stereo, factory 4-spoke left steering wheel, instrument cluster,